Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So let's go ahead and get into it because I don't want this video to be too long. But yes, I have a temporary setup here because I'm redecorating my craft room, so bear with me. So you already know God is awesome. God is awesome has to stay in the video. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. I'm on a journey to retire at the age of 60, and to help me with retirement, I have started using the cash envelope system to get a handle on some of my spending. My husband and I are consumer debt free. All we have is a mortgage. Our home loan, our automobiles are paid off. We don't have any credit cards at this moment that we have a balance on. So I am trying to get to retirement at an early age. So this is my money. Today we're gonna be stuffing $948. It's over here to the side. So yeah, so this is the bank teller slip I use. I only had to pull out $330 today because I already had some money that was in my back to the bank envelope that I used to repay my credit card when I use my credit card, so I can accumulate some reward points, and I'm really enjoying doing that, and that really is showing me that I'm disciplined. So shout out to all my froze for giving me that idea, and Rochelle added some budgets, because I thought when I paid the credit cards out, just don't ever use them again. But yeah, if you're disciplined enough, credit cards are great if you use them in the right way. So I had to change my mindset, and I'm glad I did. So if you need one of these bank teller slips, check out my Etsy shop or check out my website. Website is for the creator. Shout out to Chris from Budgeting Just Because. She created that platform for entrepreneurs like myself who want to sell items. I have items for sale, keychains, glittered pens. Those will make great stocking stuffers. So I insert some of the items I've created here, and right now we have free shipping and free personalization. So with that all out of the way, let's go ahead and get into business. So I think I might mess this up, but we're gonna try it anyway because I had a lot of small bills, because remember I didn't get a lot of big bills out of the bank. So y'all already know God is awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that right there. Then we're gonna slide our money over here, right there. Yeah. So yeah, we'll put this over here for now. We don't need that right now. So we're gonna stuff our wallets. So I have 6 categories that I stuffed, and we're gonna do household is $10. So I'm gonna do 2 5s for household items. Personal is $10 as well. It's 2 5s. Got to get rid of some of these 5s. And spending, I like to do $10 bills, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to get rid of these 5s. So I'm gonna go ahead and bite the bullet and I'm gonna get 5 $10 bills, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then I'll get the rest of them in 5, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So this is my spending money for the week. And next we have Dollar Tree. I do $15 a week for Dollar Tree. I'm going to do 3 5s. And restaurants, I do $15 as well. So I'm going to do a 10 and a 5. And for groceries, I do $50 a week, but I've already bought some groceries. So I'm only going to do 40, I think. And I'll come back, and if anything is left, I put the rest of it in groceries because I can't remember. It's not a lot, but I'm just gonna do 40 for now. So those are my that's my spending for the week, $200. So now we're gonna do sinking funds. I'm only gonna stuff a few sinking funds. This is my high priority binder. That means these are the things I'm really focused on. So I just did I tracked my spending for the last 2 weeks in November. I have that video up on my channel if you want to check it out, see what Miss Vee spent her money on. And so the rollover money that comes from the $200 that I put in my wallets, whatever is rolled over, it goes in Miss Vee envelope. That's for me, and that is to motivate me not to spend the money. So Miss Vee had $120 left this week. Yay! So I get a 120 that goes in my envelope, and I've already updated it. I had 210, and now I'm putting 120, so that makes it 330. I kind of messed it up, but anyway, yeah, I got $330 to spend on anything I like, so that's 330. I'm gonna pause this because I'm hot. I'll be back. Whew, I'm back. This ring light is hot. I'm glad I did take that little break, because I just realized I had you guys zoomed in too close. That's why I can't get all my items in the video, especially this done deal. Ha ha. So anyway, let's get back to the video. So yeah, so Miss Vee has $330, and I think that's all that I'm going to stuff in this one. And this is my other binder. This is low priority. These are things that, you know, it's not important for me to stuff, but I'll stuff them if I can, including Christmas, because I show love all year round, and I do for my family all year round. So Christmas is not no big deal for me as far as gift, you know. I do it, but I'm not gonna say it's just something that I just got to do. So it gets $100, so that gives me $600 for Christmas. And the next fund that we're gonna be stuffing is medical, because I have a health condition that I'll talk about later, and it's gonna require me to do physical therapy. And they just, well, they've been letting me know that my deductible is gonna be $1,500. So they were like, you can just bring $100 every time you come for a visit. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and get this up to $1,500, so I don't have to worry about that. So yeah. So that's it on the sinking fund. So we stuffed my wallet, did a few sinking funds, did Miss Vee rollover, and I forgot to do my husband. Oh, I think I messed the money up. You know, my husband, he loves games, so he saving up for a PlayStation 5. So I told him, why don't you just take the money that you use for DoorDash for your PlayStation 5? So y'all, my husband made $150 this week. So we're gonna put $150 in his PlayStation 5 envelope, and that would give him a total of, it's hard to find it because they don't have a chip or something, they said, for the game. So we'll be ready when they do have a chip. So whenever he feel like he want to do DoorDash, we'll just put that money in here. So now we have 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 320, 330, 335. Yay! So he has that for his PlayStation 5 game. I really don't want to pay over $600, but it's up to him. So I don't know why I'm saying what I don't want to pay. So that's it for the PlayStation 5. So now we're gonna do some challenges. So let me go ahead and do my Grandkids Challenges first. So I have 5 grandchildren, if you're new to my channel, and all of them have 10 envelopes in here, which come up to a total of like $150 each. I don't know. Anyway, all of them get the same amount. So I'm gonna do 5 envelopes with $10. So all of them will get 10. They already had 5. Those are $5 that I've stuffed already. So we just gonna do, that's why I saved them 10s. I knew it was a reason. So we're just gonna stuff all of them. So now all of them have $15. And when I fill these up, I'll just put this money in the bank for them so it can accumulate some interest, and then I'll just keep starting over. So I like this better than having an envelope for them, because I got like an envelope for entertainment, and you know, then I give them stuff for their birthday, and I give them stuff all the time. So I decided to do a savings challenge for them. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm having a pretty good day, pretty busy, but busy is good. So all of them got $10 this time. So we're gonna put this back in here for them. So theirs is looking good too. Look at that. So that's the kids challenge. Got that done. And next we're gonna do our other challenges. We have the November challenge that I need to finish. I got behind because I had to take a little break, a little mental and physical break, but I'm back. So this challenge, of course, you can see it's gonna be a total of $250. So this time we gotta do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 20, so I gotta do 160. And that's gonna complete this challenge. And what I'm gonna do with this money is gonna fund all these giveaways I'm doing, and I'm gonna bless one of my loyal supporters. Every so many months I just surprise one of my loyal supporters with a monetary gift. And so that's what I'll be doing with this money. So if you didn't know, I'm doing a giveaway right now. Go check out my video. It's the video support small businesses. I show you my new envelopes that I got. I set up a business binder. It's in that video. And today is, what is today? Tuesday is when you're gonna be seeing this video. So I'll announce the winner of the corn jar in my video Friday when I do my cash stuffing and sinking fund. So this little marker is running out of ink, running out. So I'm just gonna do like this. I think First Next Step created this. Yeah, so that's it. So we're gonna give ourselves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! Had exactly 8. So should be a total of $250. So I kept the money in my Veronica envelope. So let's see, we have $250. So we got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 50. Yay! So this is my money for giveaways. I'll be giving away things all throughout the rest of the year and the beginning of the year. Mine are not just gonna be centered around Christmas. I'm just gonna be a giver at all times. So just know that. So yeah, I created this little charm. These will be in my shop soon. So be on the lookout for that. So we got that challenge done. Now we're gonna do, let me go ahead and finish Mommy Trader challenge. So what is this? Gotta do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10 more to finish that out. And let's see how much we got in our investment challenge. We only have $5, so I'm gonna add $5 more to finish out this challenge. I'm just gonna do a $5 bill. So that would finish the November challenge. I know I'm a little behind. I gotta get the December challenge, but I catch up. Consistency, consistency, consistency. Remember, consistency is better than perfection. So yeah. So we have finished that challenge. Put that one over to the side. And the beautiful Chrissy over at Budget by the Bag created these cute little trackers, and these are a comment tracker and a like tracker. So I'm gonna do $5 per like, because I don't ask a lot of people to like my video, but I will start. And I'm gonna do $1 per comment. And these challenges are going to help to fund my Roth IRA. I'm doing a 100 envelope challenge for the Roth IRA, which would be $5,050, and then I'm trying to get to $7,000. But whatever these challenges, whatever I say in these challenges, that will be part of it as well. So let me see. The last video I did is the one that I was telling you about, where I support small businesses, and I wrote it down. And let's see, we had 11 We had 11, let me get a pen. All these pens. We had 11 likes on that video. So 11 times 5 is $55. And so what's today's date? The 6th. And that video was my business binder video, so I know. So that's it on that one. So I owe this one $55. I'm not gonna actually put the money in. I don't know why I got this extra money. Let me look. I messed up again. Medical Christmas November Challenge. I gave myself my rollover money. I gave my husband $150. And I stuffed my cash envelopes. Okay. We might be able to fund these. But anyway, for right now, $55. So I'm gonna do it like that. And then we had 11. Oh, I did it backwards. No, that's right. I had 13 comments on the video. I didn't count my comments. I just counted the comments that you guys actually. So I'm gonna put $13. And today is the 6th. And that's business binder. So yeah, so we'll see how much we get. Let me see if I already have the money, because I don't know where this money goes. How about I do this? I put that over there. Go ahead and stuff my grandkids. Each one of them $5 more. I mess up on every video, y'all. This real life over here. No editing, no nothing. No stunt man, this me. All me messing up. Mrs Vee. So we're gonna stuff their envelopes again. Y'all gonna come help me on stuff all these envelopes at the end of the year. Alright, so we stuffed their envelopes. So we're gonna put this back here. Looking good, looking good. Okay, so let's see how much money we have left. Watch me figure it out after the video. It's gonna be too late then. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Got $48 left. So, what I'm going to do is go ahead and put $13 for this comment challenge, and then the rest of it will go to this 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So I only owe 20. So that's it. Yeah, I always mess up, but anyway, this is real life over here. So that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. This is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.